Ever wondered how to make the most of your Mercedes-Benz MBUX system? Whether it's customizing your dashboard, connecting multiple phones, or unlocking hidden features, MBUX has a lot more to offer than meets the eye. Today, we're diving into 10 amazing tips and tricks that will help you take your driving experience to the next level. Get ready to discover features that might just surprise you. Number 1. Create personal profiles for each driver. With MBUX, you can create unique profiles for each driver, saving personalized settings such as seat adjustments, music choices, ambient lighting preferences, and more. This feature ensures that every driver's individual preferences are automatically applied, giving everyone a more comfortable and customized driving experience every time. Number 2. Dual Bluetooth capability. MBUX allows you to connect two phones simultaneously via Bluetooth. Whether it's for work and personal use, you can easily switch between devices for calls and notifications. This feature ensures you don't need to disconnect and reconnect each phone when making calls or receiving messages, making multitasking simpler. Number 3. Mute button for quick silence in any situation. The MBUX system has a quick mute feature through the volume knob, which allows you to silence the audio with a simple press. This is perfect for times when you need instant quiet, such as when the navigation is speaking or during an unexpected phone call. Number 4. Display song titles and station details. While listening to the radio, MBUX can show not only the station, but also the song title, artist name, and other relevant details if the station is transmitting this information. This feature helps you stay informed about what you're listening to without needing to look away from the road. Number 5. Reorganize home screen icons. MBUX allows you to customize the home screen layout by dragging and rearranging icons. Whether you use media, navigation, or phone features the most, you can place them in the most convenient positions. This customization ensures that your most used features are easily accessible with just a tap. Number 6. Choose from various themes. Personalize your MBUX system by selecting one of the available themes like Classic, Sport, or Progressive. Each theme offers a different color scheme and layout, allowing you to match the visual style to your driving mood, environment, or preferences, enhancing the overall experience while on the road. Number 7. Customize your instrument cluster. The digital instrument cluster behind your steering wheel can be fully customized to show the information you need most. Whether you prefer to see speed, music, or navigation on the display, simply swipe and adjust it to your liking for a more personalized and efficient driving experience. Number 8. Link to Mercedes-Me. Linking your Mercedes-Benz to the Mercedes-Me app unlocks advanced features such as remote access, real-time traffic updates, and live navigation. This allows you to stay connected with your vehicle even when you're not in it, making it easier to track car data and control functions remotely. Number 9. Turn your car into a Wi-Fi hotspot. With the Mercedes-Me app, you can enable a Wi-Fi hotspot in your car. This feature provides internet access to devices like smartphones, tablets, or laptops, ensuring you and your passengers stay connected, stream content, or browse the web during long trips or while waiting in the car. Number 10. Turn off Hey Mercedes activation. If your car's voice assistant is constantly triggered by children or passengers, you can turn off the Hey Mercedes activation phrase. By disabling this feature in the settings, you can still use voice commands by pressing the voice button on the steering wheel, preventing accidental triggers while driving. With these 10 MBUX tips and tricks, you're now ready to unlock your Mercedes-Benz's full potential. From customizing your settings to discovering hidden features, MBUX makes every drive smoother and more enjoyable. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insider tricks and updates. Have any tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Until next time, Keep exploring and enjoying all the incredible features your Mercedes has to offer.